All right, Thursday morning, here we go. So what do we got on tap for today? Well, we'll probably find ourselves in a bit of a holding pattern. Not going to see a tremendous amount of action. Why? Because we have that big April jobs report number due out tomorrow morning. Non-farm payroll, unemployment rate, big economic calendar day. A lot of traders are focused on that. Probably not going to be willing to put on massive positions either way today ahead of that number. Now, that said, we do have an initial jobless claims number due out this morning. Certainly going to be some focus, see if that job picture continues to improve and do we get confirmation with the jobs report tomorrow on that. Equities had that big down day in the Nasdaq 2 days ago, perked back up yesterday, saw some strength, seeing a little bit of strength this morning. We'll see if that can continue. FX, dollar reaching a 2-week high. We're looking at British pound. That British pound right at 1.39, about break below that. We talked about the euro dollar yesterday, right at 1.20, about the break below that. So some interesting moves in FX. With those yields moving lower and interest rates moving lower in the 10-year treasury, gold, which we haven't talked about much this calendar year, it's pressing higher, pressing up against $1,800 an ounce. So January, February, where gold was really crushed in that rising interest rate environment, seeing a bit of a reversal over the past month. Again, pressing up against that key level. We'll see what happens today there. So again, might find ourselves in a bit of quiet period today. Get into Nadex, the Nadex YouTube channel. Check out that bootcamp gold and oil that we had a couple days ago, as well as all the other educational assets we have for you. Get ready for tomorrow. Going to be a big day. Have a great day today. I'll see you in the morning.